How's it going, everybody? Black Limited X here with another video for you guys today. And today we're going to be installing gas and brake pedal covers, as well as the pedal command. Stay tuned, check it out. Alright, you guys, first things first, we're gonna do the pedal covers first. Crack these open. These should be fairly simple. There's various tools that you can use to install these. Some people use a screwdriver, some people use a ply bar. Also with the rubber on the back, it's really good rubber. Some people like to heat it up a bit if it's a little colder out. They'll put it in hot water, or some will take a heat gun to it. I'm gonna try to install these without any of that. Just go by hand strength and just try to do it that way. We won't have to take off the driver, the accelerator, but we will need to take off the brake cover, the stock one. So let's get started. Actually, I'm going to do the accelerator first. Let's set that to the side. Now, the way I've seen it done, come around like this, put it on one side. You get your fingers up under there. You just bring it over like that. Try to get your fingers up under there the entire way. Just try to work it around there like that. There we go. Kind of like push it over like that, and it's on there. It won't move. That rubber will settle around it really well, so make sure all the edges are on there. Make sure it's tucked over really well. Yep, good to go with that one. All right, simple enough. Same thing for this, just pops right off. It comes right off. It's old rubber. Pluck it and tuck it. Put that to the side. Same concept. Now, I wouldn't do the sides. I'll just come from the top, get that tucked up on there like that, then try to get my fingers up under. Come from this side and like kind of work your way around so you get it, and you kind of work your way around like that. Yeah, thankfully the metal, or not the metal, the rubber is actually pretty flexible. It's I'm like able to get my fingers in there. I'll try that one more time. This one is a little bit more difficult because that bottom flat, you gotta try to pull it out without taking it off at the top, and that is a little bit hard. A lot of people were saying that the brake pedal was the bitch of the two, so it's this corner over here that's giving me problems, that I can't get the rubber. So I'm gonna try to get my finger in there without having to take it off these edges over here, because basically this top half and this side is on, but it's this bottom corner. Come on, work with me. Come on. Come on, get on there. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that was tough, especially without any tools or heating it up beforehand. So Yeah, it's on there. Yeah. Check your corners, make sure everything is tucked over. Yeah. That was good. It was a little tight, but I feel like, you know, if you get in there good and you really pull on that rubber, you'll be able to get it. Obviously a tool would have been much more of a better help. Maybe even heating it up. But I got it on there. It's on there. There we go. All right. Now, I'm gonna continue this video right along. No cuts, no pauses. Next, we're gonna do the pedal commander. Put that to the side. My Jeep is the 3.6 liter V6, but this is the Model 4 and it will work with it. Slide that off, put that to the side here. This is a little quick guide basically telling you the different modes and things of that nature. Also a quick little install illustration here. Actually it's the instructions as well. Pull this out, the actual unit. Oh, everything's at the bottom there. You're gonna get the actual unit. So just pop out like that. There we go. Just pops out of this little holder. So this is the actual unit with the cords. Just get the little Velcro piece, the backing or whatever, so wherever you want to stick it, up here. Some people put it actually on the side of the pedal. And this is just a little cleaning pad, little cleaning swab to clean the area off. Oh, and they actually include zip ties too to tie off any loose or dangling cords in this area if you want to. Yeah, so I'm gonna move this to the side, get started. Open this up. Now, I am big on instructions because I do not like doing things wrong. I always feel bad for people who create giant instruction manuals and everyone just tosses them in the trash. So, from the instructions, turn off the ignition. If your vehicle has keyless entry, keep the key fob at least 35 feet away from the vehicle. I see a lot of guys who install these and they got their key fob right in the vehicle with them and they're sitting in the cup holder or in their pocket, or it's right there with them. So they're already messing up, not following instruction number 2. Locate your accelerator and pedal assembly plug connection. Number 4, remove the plug on your gas pedal. Number 5, plug male and female connectors into their coordinating plugs on the gas pedal. Make sure both plugs click into place. Number 6, make sure cables are tucked in place so they do not affect or endanger your driving. Number 7, route the pedal commander to where you can access easily. Number 8, use the included alcohol wipe to clean the area where you would like to mount the bracket. Apply Velcro to the bracket and clean area. Put the pedal commander into bracket and you're done. Pretty simple. It's just this disclaimer info. So yeah. So on the Jeep Grand Cherokees here, in the back, behind this little foam padding, I don't know if you'll be able to see this on camera, but there's the little connection and clip right here. There's a little button. Push it in. Let me get up over here and get in here better. There's a little connection. You push that and then you pull it out, and this is the cord. So this is separated from the actual accelerator. So this part is going to go into the actual accelerator. This part is going to go into this cord here. So you take it, line up the prongs inside, click it in. You heard that click. Simple enough. And then you take this side, bring it up, move that out the way for a little bit. Right here. And then you and you just click that in place. Heard that click? And there you go. Easy as that. Now, me personally, I'm trying to figure out where I can route these. There's a little opening here at the top. I know a guy who said to just tuck it all up under the foam padding here if you want, to keep these cords out of the way so they're not in the way of the actual accelerator. I'm going to be mounting the actual unit probably in this area right here. So I'm going to tuck that up, tuck these cords up like this, and I'm going to actually be getting another type of bracket that I can actually put somewhere on here to hold the cord in place so it's all out of the way as such. But for now I'm just going to tuck it there. But yeah, you can use the provided zip ties or find another method, however you want to do it. But that's the way I'm going to do it. But as far as the actual unit, it is installed. Keep your instructions if you want to. Now this is the bracket. It's actually already on here. We'll take it off. Just pops right off like that. So like I said, I'm gonna be sitting mine in this area, like right here. So what you do is, what you can do rather, I'll put it up right there so it's a little up, more up. Take the provided wipes, put those up, take them out. You take the little wipe the area clean. It's basically like a little alcohol wipe. You wipe off the back of the actual thing here. Get that cleaned up. Put this to the side here. You take one side of the adhesive off of the Velcro. Place it on the back here as such. And a firm press, make sure it's on there pretty good. Like I said, I'm going to be placing mine right about here. Firm press, you can actually put the unit back inside of it, clip it in, and then press it firmly, make sure it's holding, and voila, there you go. Like I said, that is going to be temporary for now. I will be having a different setup to mount this much better. Like, it's going to be sitting as far off out the way as possible so that there's absolutely nothing protruding. I mean, it's fine the way it's sitting, and you know, I'm not kicking my foot all around up in this area like that anyway, so it'll be fine for now. But yep, it's connected, everything is secure. We heard the clicks. So yeah, we're all done. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, dislike. Thank you all again. Have a good day.